Hello, everyone. Today, I'm here to tell you about… Whoa! What is this? I think I've stepped on a sea urchin. Lucky it was a small one. Well, back to what I was going to explain. The first group I'm going to tell you about is called echinoderms. Do you know what kind of animals they are? I'll explain it to you. Echinoderms are exclusively marine animals. They move about very slowly on the seabed, thanks to their tiny tube feet. This starfish, for example, has tiny tube feet and a mouth at the lower surface of its body. The body of the sea urchin is covered with movable spines. Whoa! Did you see that? Look at those spines! Watch out for them or you'll get stung. Sea cucumbers and sea lilies are also in the echinoderms group. These animals are so much fun. Do you want to hear something really interesting about them? Did you know that when a starfish loses one of its legs, a new one will grow in its place? There's another group of invertebrates I want to tell you about today. Sponges. Sponges have bodies full of pores. Many sponges are soft and smooth, but others can be hard and rough. They only live in the sea and the oceans, and they attach themselves onto rocks and reefs. Sponges can't actually swim. That's why, for many years, we thought they were plants instead of animals. Do you know why? Sponges can't make their own food like plants do. They use their pores to feed on plankton and tiny particles of bacteria in the water. Did you know that sea sponges have been used for centuries for washing and bathing? That's all about echinoderms and sponges. I'm going back to my swim. See you around. I've fallen asleep. It's so late. Time to go home. Wow! Look! A fluorescent jellyfish! So cool! There's tons of them. I'll try not to move much. I don't want to get stung by them. Well, they're swimming away. So I'm going to tell you all about the invertebrate group those jellyfish belong to. Cnidarians. Have you ever heard of them? Cnidarians are marine animals. They are divided in two groups, jellyfish and polyp animals. Jellyfish are almost transparent and their body is gelatinous. They look like an umbrella. Their mouth and tentacles are in the lower part of their body. The tentacles have toxic substances which jellyfish use to capture their prey. Oopsie! I'm afraid it's lunchtime. Some jellyfish swim in the water, and others are simply dragged by the sea currents. They're so lazy. Polyp animals form another group of cnidarians. They live on reefs or attach themselves onto rocks using their suckers. Polyps also have tentacles and a mouth which they use to feed themselves. But unlike jellyfish, their mouth and tentacles are in the upper part of their body. Watch out! Cnidarians are really hungry today. As you can see, there are cnidarians of many sorts and colors. They really look so pretty. Have you ever been stung by a jellyfish? If you ever see one in the sea, stay calm and swim away slowly. Jellyfish never attack people. They would only sting if you are in their way. Look, there's one over there. I'm swimming away slowly. So easy. That's all about cnidarians. I'm going back to my swim. See you around.